All right, so what's up? What's going on today?
This C706 is getting headers, a lower pulley, meth, our custom ice tank, and heat exchanger. Baseline 565. This one should run today.
Alright, so this 21 Camaro 1LE came in with full bolt-ons, MSD intake manifold, Nick Williams throttle body, headers and an intake. Made really good power, like 485. And we're going to be doing our head scan package and a set of K-Tech valve covers.
All this old stuff out, place the new stuff. See, that's literally fun.
There it goes. So how did that go? Just
Well, I took the steering shaft off and it literally fell out. They go in a lot easier than they come out, as you can see. Oh wow, Mike, you're so hilarious.
how's it going, Matt?
I want to talk about it.
Does not want to talk about it. He's actually doing what I'm doing right now. Trying to get the header lined up and molded up. Seems to be having some difficulty.
It's like yours is going a lot smoother.
Yeah, I'd say. That. Time for the new one. This seal just goes in there and basically I messed it up coming out with the tool, obviously coming out, so you can't reuse these. They're pressed in there. This rides the edge of the crank pulley, not allowing to Innovators West 18% lower balancer. Yeah, could install it right now. Gotta make sure I line my keyway up. Pull this on. Meter installed.
Sure, Eric.
Enthusiasm.
Yeah, I know. these new videos start popping out, he'll be known as the angry one. They always used to call me Angry Eric, but as you can see, I'm not so angry. This guy.
Yeah, I look real angry, don't
He's
I?
the angry one. Ready?
Ready as I'm gonna be.
There we go.
And that's how we do it. Torque it back to spec.
Yeah, replace the heat exchanger. Out with the old, in with the new. This is the old one. The new one is installed already. There she is. That's an AFCO heat exchanger.
You pumped about this?
Huh?
You pumped about this build?
Yeah.
Yeah? Gonna be alright?
Always pumped.
Always? On a Monday, right?
Yeah. That's cool. It's kind of like, I've been doing a lot of bigger stuff lately, so it's nice when I get the occasional, like this car and that black car, we just baseline are getting the same thing, so I can just kind of get in the zone and knock them out.
So, what does camming a car actually do? Just change the amount of like air and fuel, or?
Basically opens the valves more and longer, allowing more air to move in and out of the engine. That's basically what it's all about. It's a big air pump. So the more air you can efficiently get in and out, you know, make more power. I'm bolting the collectors here so I can finish unbolting the headers. Back a little bit. Then the American Racing. I mean, they both fit really good, but something about the way the Cook's bends are, kind of sneak them out without lowering the frame. All this because Kyle asked him to turn on the radio and Eric freaks out.
Yep, there he goes. It got quiet, and then he starts it up again. Number one, huh? Tyler's gonna learn.
Dude, somebody's got to be the bad guy.
Yeah, we're gonna start a new narrative around here. I'm no longer Angry Eric. We got Miserable Matt.
Yeah, if I get it in here making a bunch of noise, everybody on YouTube saying, "Oh my God, those cam bearings are trash."
We should get a signature back. I've signed.
Ooh.
And we always use ARP head studs on LT engines.
This one's the old one. And then this is the new one.
Not ready to start here in about 15 minutes.
That one more time.
Yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should let the world know, man.
She probably does watch every episode.
Probably.
Probably.
Yeah, I think she does. I think you need to tell her how you feel. Let her know those butterflies are still there.
Dude, you got a big platform here to do it on.
Get that camera out of my face.
Dude, I'm gonna document that you forgot your dad's birthday.
I've been documenting a lot of things about Matt lately.
Yeah, there's gonna be a big one to document soon. Love this for me. I can't do anything without getting ridiculed, judged.
I wouldn't say you're ridiculed. I'd say everybody's just invested.
That was a quality show.
Dude, looks like a car again.
Well, it's a sweater, but thanks for noticing.
So what are you doing there, Kyle? You putting the oil cooler in right now?
Yeah, putting the new oil cooler in. Pre-cut the shroud for the Ram it's gonna get. Clean the engine bay, essentially. Clean all that stuff on the cradle. Then I'm gonna put a slave cylinder in it. Once you put a new slave in it, then I should be good to drop the motor in.
8mm quarter-inch sheet.
Do some quality work, Kyle. Anybody ever tell you that?
Not as much as I aim for.
The attention to detail is all there. I know a lot of people that would not be doing what you're doing right now, and they would just slap that thing right back.
And there's a chance that they'd be doing it in the car and doing an oil pan gasket in the car, and these are a pain in the so.
Now just securing all the motor mounts and stuff?
Nah, just starting all the bell housing bolts. Oh, putting all the bell housing bolts in the motor.
Okay.
So once that's together, then I have most of the motor mount bolts started. So after that, I can just get the crane out of there and tighten up the motor mount bolts.
You trying to line up the mounts right now?
This side's all lined up. On the other side, it's like cockeyed.
Kind of get an idea of what, you know, that's what the engine mount looks like when it's all connected. Kyle is trying to connect the other engine mount on the other side.
Yeah, after it's all in, I gotta, you know, connect everything back up. Put some headers on it, new intake on it, and call it a day.
It's a delicate dance.
Oh, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Nice.
For being honest. All the seats, any cloth really. Nice now. My chop. I don't think there's any high horsepower kind of recipes out there for it. Doesn't mean people aren't going to make a drag car though.
Probably.
I can't wait for someone puts a fucking LS motor in it.
Like,
I'm gonna clean all this crap out. I'm gonna clean that. I'm gonna top off some fluids. And it's pretty much done, I think.
Top it off with coolant, put some oil in it. Put my line. Connectors right there, and then I'll be ready to go. Maybe a little tight. Get it? I can always spin the engine.
Like the belt doesn't fit between the bouncer and the water pump. Just try and crank it over slow.
There we go, baby.
Definitely on now.
Yeah, she's on there.
Just first fire up of the car. So just need to make sure it's got oil pressure, it's not too rich. Generally I'll like do a couple quick flashes to make sure it's running half decent enough to get on the dyno and start tuning.